My name is Vin and today I am going to present about trigonometric application in the real world. So, discover how sine, cos and tan shape our modern world through fascinating applications beyond the classroom. Today we are going to learn about earthquake analysis, military and defense, land surveying and geography, interior design and assisting, virtual reality revolution, ocean science, navigation, light and optics, satellite communication. First, earthquake analysis. Seismologists use trigonometric waveforms to study seismic waves and calculate epicenter distance using sine wave patterns. These mathematical models help predict earthquake intensity and provide crucial early warning system for communities at risk. So these are used when earthquake जब earthquake आता है तब जो भी ग्राफ होते हैं उससे पहले ही पता चल जाता है कि earthquake आने वाला है, तो उससे अलार्म बजता है तो सारे सेफ हो जाते हैं पहले से. अगला टॉपिक है मिलिट्री एंड डिफेंस. Radar system use trigonometry to detect aircraft distances and calculate precise missile trajectories. Weather forecasting. Meteorologists model cyclones and storm paths using trigonometric wave patterns and wind direction calculation. With the help of this, they calculate military defense military defense and they see weather forecasting for upcoming days. Land surveying and geography. Surveyors measure mountain heights and land boundaries using angles of elevation and trigonometric principles. This ancient application remains essential for modern constructions, mapping and property development projects worldwide. Interior design. Designers calculate optimal lighting angles and furniture placement using trigonometric principles for perfect room aesthetics. Animation and gaming. Smooth character movement and realistic physics in games rely on sine and cos functions for natural motion. Virtual reality revolution. VR headsets map user perspective through complex trigonometric calculations, creating impressive 3D environments. Every movement triggers instant angles calculations to maintain realistic visual experiences. Ocean science. Oceanographers use trigonometric functions to model tidal movements and measure wave heights with precision. This calculation predict coastal flooding, optimize shipping routes and support marine conservation efforts. Light enters prism. Trigonometry calculates refraction angles as light bends through different materials. Critical angles analysis. Critical angle analysis. Lens designers use trigonometric functions to optimize optical performance. Perfect focus. Cameras, telescopes, and microscopes rely on precise trigonometric calculations. Satellite communication. Positioning satellite dishes requires precise elevation and azimuth calculations using trigonometric principles. Azimuth means celestial objects. This calculation ensures optimal signal strength for global communication, GPS, navigation and weather monitoring. Thank you.